stupid, no? Thank you, Belo, ha, for coming. Body let me down.
What do you think? Kamu rin nag-eskwela? Hoy! I have finished my 4 years course which is BSE Ed, Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. Nya moingon mo nga
Cannot explain what is honest and dishonest.
kahilas ninyo asa man mo nga university sa US nag-eskwela. Asa mo lapit na human.
Being paranoid, I think that you are graduate in
mo lockdown og tawo no mura na mo og kanang nay mga powerful mura na mo si mura na mo Dres Pilipinas no mura na mo si kuan.
sorry all my friends there that I'm speaking Bisaya. Let's see how the paranoid can translate this. Okay? So, aniha, those Filipino friend of it, the paranoid, translate on person. Let's see how it your English is fine. Yeah, they telling that the funny fellow is, he said, oh, Princess is broken English. And then he answering me what I'm talking. So he's really stupid, huh? If you say that I'm very broken English, why are you keeping listening and recording in me? And then telling that I'm ugliest. If I'm ugliest, why are you keeping longing to me? You know, below what I can say to him. He's addicted. Look like a drugs. He's addicted on me.
He won't accept obsess unsa man what
He cannot accept
he cannot
obsess.
accept the word obsess. Addict siya. Broken English man ka, and why did you reply and why did you record it? Hilom niya, recorded yung baga.
Yeah.
Pabayuta ka.
Bayot, lady boy. He keeping say, I'm broken in English, I'm ugly, and why you keeping longing to me? Who am I that you really desire and idolize in me? Why you keeping longing to me? How special I am.
Into your life.
And yeah, into your life.